Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $71.32. Okay. And what we have seen that it has already made us what we have seen, it has already made a swing at this level, and now from 3 weeks it is continuously in this range, as well as a green candles we have seen. Probability is higher a further upside movement we can see, because this range bound has happened at a level of 72, okay, 72.25, and now it is trying to go higher. So if started going again above this level, we can see there will be a month high, okay, and then we can see it can cross this particular level and can go towards 75.76, and then a level of around 79 we can see. Okay, this is a 3 weeks high we can see. A probability will be high that it will touch a month's high and then can make another new high towards a level of around 78.76, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside movement we can see, chances of further upside we can see, because see, there is from 3 weeks it is forming a green candle and a swing has already formed at this particular level, a low of around 65.66.76. This is the low we have seen in this candle. Okay, and chances can be higher a further upside movement we can see. Looking at this particular chart, how we have seen the price of crude is moving. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen when the lockdown was there, and after that it tries to recover that. Okay, and whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a fall. So you have to understand, whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a profit booking comes at this level. Okay, and then after that, at this level we have seen a war situation has come, that is where it is continuously downside. Till the time price is not going above a level of $79.73, we will not see an upside. Okay, and started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 84 also, after crossing 81, and then from there a level of around 87.57, and then it will move out of this zone, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, a higher side we can see, but if started falling again below a level of 68, then a further downfall we can see. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, a further fall. Now, if you look at the dollar index, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, looking at dollar index, I have clearly indicated you that a level of 102 is very important. Okay, the price sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see, and it has already made a half around 105.4. This was the election day where we have seen the result has come, so the dollar has made a wide strengthening, and that is where we have seen upside movement, and as soon as it made a high at that level, we have seen a fall. Okay, why? Because see, if you look at this particular trend, when there is a continuous upside, this was a buy situation. I have told you that the dollar index can go further upside when the price was above a level of 103.9, and you have to understand, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will come down. Okay, and similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will come down. Similarly, what you have to see, that suppose if started going both in same direction, which happens sometimes, always try to start your trade with SL. Always put your SL so your capital will be saved. Second thing, once you start in profit, try to trail the SL so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do. Okay, what we have seen, it has moved below a level of 104.6, so we can see a further downfall also we can see at a level of 104.3, and then to a level of 103.9, and then it can move below a level of 103.5 and then move out of this zone. But it can move above this level, and then we can see it can go further upside, and then a probability of crossing a level of 105.2 will be there, and then it can move out of this zone, so further upside can be there, is a higher chances of that. Okay, but remember, if it started falling below a level of 102, chances of further fall will be there. Now there is a chances, if it started falling below a level of 103.5, then a further downfall we can see toward 101.9. Okay, because this is a strong support, 101.9, there a bounce back can come, or if started falling below that level, a further downfall. Coming back on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability of going towards 72.3 will be there. If that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 73.15. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside movement we can see towards a level of around 74.8, and if that sustain, a further high we can see towards a level of 75.47. Okay, keeping that in mind, this is the range. So if it started going above that level, a further upside towards a level of 78.2 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside we can see towards 80.13. After crossing 80.13, a further high towards a level of around 82.7, then to a level of 83.4. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside. But remember something, that if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because the market is uncertain, so you have to understand that the trend is upside. Okay, but we will not know because the market is uncertain, it based on the resistance and support. So you have to understand, if started breaking a resistance, it can go further upside or a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, it can go down, or it can take a bounce back from there. So suppose if that didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of 69.3. Okay, and if started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 68.4 we can see. Okay, and if started going below that particular level, we can see a level of $66.6. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances of touching 65.12 will be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of around $63.16. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so further downfall we can see if the price started going below this level to a level of 62.38. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 61.9, which is already being tested, so chances of further downfall will be there. Okay, and if started falling below that level, we can see it can go further low, because there will be a zone breakout after a level of around May 21. So chances of will be there that it can go further low towards a level of around in the zone of 59 and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, and understand, after the post election, there is a probability that the market can be more stronger, the dollar index can be more stronger. So we can see there will be a good volatility also in the market. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.